Okay, I had a request today to do a little video on how to add decimals. And adding or subtracting decimals, as long as you know how to add and subtract, is actually pretty straightforward. It's all about just lining up the decimal. So if we have a question like 22 decimal 7 plus 3 decimal 2, and when you look at it like this and it's written horizontally, it's a little bit tricky. So what I'd recommend on your sheet of paper is let's make it a vertical question, which let's change the color here. Just write it down 22 decimal 7, and then write down 3 decimal 2. Now I've purposely lined it up wrong here. So if you're on a piece of paper, you're going to have to redo this. And the point is this: there has to be a line going straight up and down that the decimal goes through. So all we can do, and you can't do this on your piece of paper, but I can do this digitally, is walk this over. The decimal has to drop directly below the other decimals. As long as the decimals are lined up, then all you do is just go ahead and add. We put our line here, we put a plus sign, and we add. 7 plus 2 is 9, 3 plus 2 is 5, and the 2 just drops down. Now, if you had a little over 22 plus a little over 3, you're not going to get an answer of 259. So look at where the decimal is and just drop it straight down. That's where it goes. To use one other quick example, let's say we have 34 decimal 3, take away 2 decimal 7. And this gets into a little bit of our subtraction skills. We just draw a box around this so we know which question we're working on. And let's line that up. Let's change the color. 34 decimal 3, take away 2 decimal 7. And notice what I did with the decimals right on top of each other. Can you do 3 take away 7? No. Borrow from Uncle 4. Make him a 3. Give yourself a 1. 13 minus 7 is 6. 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 just drops down. Decimal drops down as well. There's your answer, 31 decimal 6. And that's it.